Mother's Day is a special occasion to honor and appreciate mothers for their love, care, strength and constant support. It is a day that reminds us of the important role mothers play in our lives every single day, without expectation and without pause. In this video we will explore a complete set of simple and meaningful 10 Mother's Day activities that can be conducted in school for students. These activities are designed to be super creative, engaging, and suitable for young learners. They also help children express their thoughts in simple ways, while understanding the value of their mothers in everyday life. 1. Fill in the blank mom book. The first activity is the Fill in the blank mom book. In this activity, students can complete simple sentences about their mother, such as her habits, likes, and the ways she takes care of them. For example, sentences like, "My mom likes to," or "My mom helps me when." This helps children observe and reflect on their mother in a structured and guided way. It also encourages them to think carefully about small daily actions that often go unnoticed. Once completed, the pages can be compiled into a small booklet that becomes a personal keepsake for each student. 2. My Mom Care Guide. Next is the My Mom Care Guide. This is a practical booklet where students can write simple ideas on how they can take care of their mother. For example, helping her when she is tired, reminding her to rest, or assisting with small tasks at home. It also includes simple actions like being obedient, helping in daily chores, or keeping their space clean. This activity encourages responsibility and awareness in children, and also helps children understand that care is not only about words, but also about actions. 3. Mom's Power Booklet. In this activity, students create a power booklet for their mother. Each page highlights a superpower that mothers have, such as multitasking, problem solving, and caring for the family. Students can also add simple drawings to represent each power. This helps students understand the strengths and abilities of their mothers in a fun and creative way. It also makes them realize that everyday work done by mothers is actually a form of super strength. 4. Super Brain Map. The Super Brain Map is a drawing activity where students can sketch a simple head outline. Inside the map, students can label different abilities of their mother's mind, such as thinking, planning, and remembering. They may also add ideas like organizing, decision-making, and managing time. This helps children visualize how much their mothers manage every day and how many things they keep in mind at the same time. 5. Super Shield Craft. In this craft activity, students can design a shield for their mother. On the shield, they write sentences like, "She protects me from difficulties," and "Her strength is her care." They can decorate it simply using colors and patterns. This activity symbolizes protection and strength in a creative form, showing that mothers are like protectors in daily life. 6. Super Mom Medal. Students also create a Super Mom medal using paper and colors. The medal is designed with the title, "World's Best Mom Hero." They can decorate it with stars, ribbons, or simple designs. It is a simple yet powerful way for children to express admiration for their mothers, and it gives them a sense of pride when presenting it. 7. Super Mom Report Card. In this fun activity, students can design a report card for their mother. They give grades like A+ for caring, strength, and patience. They may also include other qualities like kindness and support. This playful format helps children appreciate their mother's qualities in a school-style activity, making it both familiar and engaging. 8. My Oath Card for Mom. Students can write a simple promise card or oath for their mother. The oath includes commitments like helping at home, respecting their mother's work, and doing responsibilities without being told. They can write and sign it like a personal promise. This activity builds responsibility and respect in children and turns their feelings into a clear commitment. 9. Dress up as Mom Day. On this special day, students can dress up like their mothers in a simple and respectful way. They may imitate their mother's everyday style or appearance. The focus is not on perfection, but on understanding their mother's role. This activity helps children feel a connection with their mother's role in daily life, and it creates a joyful and memorable classroom experience. 10. Mother's Day Invitation Party. Finally, schools can organize a Mother's Day celebration where mothers are invited. Students can present their activities, and mothers may participate in a simple and joyful gathering. There can be a light display of student work, interaction activities, and shared time together. This becomes a memorable moment of appreciation and togetherness for both children and mothers. These activities help students understand their mothers better and express their feelings in creative and meaningful ways. Mother's Day in schools becomes not just a celebration, but a learning experience filled with respect, care, and gratitude. It allows children to recognize the silent efforts of their mothers in everyday life and helps build a stronger emotional understanding between them. Wishing all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day 2026. Thank you for watching.